Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the south area from the An Thượng area. We are here next to Le Bordeaux and we're gonna explore this little side streets. Gonna see now on the map and gonna see how it looks here. I've never been here. Marcus and I are scoping around, maybe nice areas to live in. This is gonna be a big apartment building and probably done soon. Oh, look at this. Now available studio. Interesting. But they have a huge construction right there. This is the Mi Da Dong 12 here where we are. Oh, what is this? A retro store. Interesting. There's so many of those stores here now everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
Second-hand clothing and accessories.
Vintage, right?
Yeah, vintage stuff. Huh. Lots of... Oh, this is also a huge building here. So I guess no matter which calm area you think you're gonna walk in, it's gonna be... It smells like pee here. Ooh.
I think it's because of this working conditions here right now.
Yeah. I don't think we can walk there. We can walk over here. All right, guys. So I guess there's no neighborhood at the moment where they don't build a lot. That's crazy. This also looks like a higher than 5 floors building. But yeah. I've walked this neighborhood, I think, a few times. In this neighborhood, there's the Create, it's called. It's a coffee shop and a workshop place, I would say.
But
Okay, so this is a house you can rent, probably.
no, probably not. But we have to point out here's no pavement.
Yeah. No pavement, but it's calm, so. Lots of private houses here. With high. There's a pool. There's a pool villa here. This is a pool villa here. Look at this. But it might be also. I don't know if it's a villa or if it's a apartment building. Someone is parking his car there. Or maybe I've never walked here. This is Mi Da Dong 12 as well. Very interesting. Oh no, it's not the street what I thought it would be. The one street, what I thought is where the paddle club is. I think it's here to the left and then right. But yeah, this looks also like a apartment building. But as you can see here, this is an intersection. If you want to live quiet, don't live at the intersection. You see? Everyone is honking. Honking, 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 because intersection. And they don't want to stop and look, they just honk. Got a lot of private houses here, and then we got some apartment buildings right here. This is how it looks at the moment.
Hello.
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 Baustella.
Working all day, but still friendly.
Yep. Working in the heat, but still friendly.
Yeah.
Look at how many construction sites are there here? This is
It's a
crazy.
lot.
This is apartment building, Marcus. Somewhere here. Chris Home Apartments for rent. Yep. Yeah. Marcus is collecting numbers. Right now, at the moment, this neighborhood, I would wait for 1 year. But in 1 year, this might be a good neighborhood because then everything is built already. Not much more space. This could be some apartment buildings too. Apartment building. Oh, we are right. This is the paddle club here. Okay. So here you can play paddle and pickleball.
And also you can eat.
And eat.
Oh, look
And they're
at
making
them. Shooting.
they're making a shooting here. Look at this. Oh, yummy food. Only shooting and not eating.
Wow. But maybe they will share it with us.
Yeah, we should go in there.
Oh, they're playing paddle. You see?
Oh yeah, they're paddle people. Nice. Okay. All right.
you want to go this way?
Yeah, I walked this way this last time. Let's sneak in here. I'm gonna show you all the little side streets today.
And
But also
the next one. It's just
next
so much
construction site. But what our goal is, there's a very good hotel in a calm neighborhood, and I want to recheck if it's really that calm. There's also a nice villa around there, so we will. That's why we're gonna walk now. So this neighborhood 3 years ago was just a sleepy little residential local neighborhood, but now they're building. So it's not only the An Thượng area where they're building hard, they also build here.
Yeah, but isn't it a good sign that
Yeah.
Da Nang is growing and there's a lot of money
Yep.
pouring in?
All right, so when we walk straight here, this is the French restaurant. Let me think. Is it wise to go there or do we go there? Let's go to the French.
And also there's the kindergarten on
Yeah.
I think the international school.
Yeah, that's true. Our German friends put their child actually there, to the kindergarten.
Yeah.
Then we have La Dulce.
La Dulce.
That sounds Italian. French physiotherapy. Wow, guys.
French.
So, do you want to have French physiotherapy? There we go. Interesting. This is very interesting. A lot of people ask me for that.
Look at this. They are specialized in sports injury,
Back pain, rehab, lymphatic drainage, French physiotherapy, and nail salon.
Okay, they're doing it extra. Okay.
Okay,
But
cool.
it's good to know.
And a cute little doggo. Hello, doggo. Friendly. Okay, let's move on. Interesting, guys. So if you're looking for physiotherapy, maybe that's the place for you in this little French neighborhood.
The vegetarian corner.
Yoga and vegetarian. For ultra hippies. Awesome. And this is the Little Giants kindergarten. They even write it Kindergarten, even German. Physical development, literacy, mathematics, express arts and design, communication.
Isn't kindergarten a German word, but it's also English? Kindergarten?
I thought the English people would say kindergarten with D, because it's a garden. I mean, they write it in the German way, so we can also pronounce it German, right? Kindergarten. Maybe the world should just pronounce it German way. Oh, look at this. What is this, Marcus?
It looks like
A little bit rocky. But yeah, I don't know. It looks like a
storage.
or a garage.
Yes.
Maybe there's some luxury vehicles in there.
Yeah, but they don't have the.
Oh, Marcus, this here is a very interesting property. Luxury apartments and villas inside this thing. I never reviewed it, but it's called Salt. But yeah, it's a very interesting place. And this is maybe, let me know in the comments if you know a more expensive. I think this is one of the most expensive French restaurants, but I'm not 100. No, you know what? I take it back. The one in Intercontinental Hotel should be more expensive, but I think this is like a very high-end restaurant with a wine cellar. Lots of little streets here. This looks like a huge mansion. They have green. This is like it looks like a German house with a yard. Beautiful. Then you have some. Oh, look at this, huge fans. If you want some fans, guys, this walking tour already gets you everything you want, guys. You need some big fans. There you go.
You need a little bit of these units.
We have a villa here. That's just a house, I think. But this is also very interesting. We have apartments here. I remember that, but there's no phone number. And apartments here. One time I walked by here and I saw lots of ladies dancing here on TikTok. Like TikTok dance, it's a content creator house. It was 2 years ago. Very interesting. It was like very interesting to see. What else do we have here? Oh yeah. Can you walk through that?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go off-road.
Security dogs.
Can we walk through that?
Yes.
Oh, look at all the chicken here. Dude.
But they're scared.
We're probably gonna have a lot of chicken poop on our feet then.
But it's shorter. Let's go.
All right,
Don't be a chicken.
off-road.
Off-road. Oh wow. There's also people in the prison.
Yeah.
In jail.
But still, even though they're in prison, it's not that bad as in European countries with the chicken huge penitentiaries. They still have a little bit more space and can mate. Yeah, we have the Cross Cafe. This is also an apartment building, Marcus.
Really?
But
do not look like this. It looks more than offices.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry. This is office. This is
Next
apartment
one, right?
building, yeah.
But no one is inside.
There we have Buntitnung, Nemlui, Banchang, Banmis. They always grill here, so I think they maybe have a very good buncha. And here, my wife was living here when I met her the first time. She was living here to the right and left. Very nice big studio. For back then, 4.8 million.
Wow.
But it was a huge studio. And very, very calm area. And somewhere here, my mother-in-law loves that bunka, chicken, not chicken, fish soup, if I'm not wrong. Oh no, it's a bunbo. It's beef noodles. Somewhere here, it's their favorite. She always goes there. Boy, look at this.
Also, they're just rebuilding the street or remodeling.
Or maybe they putting the cables under the ground. But we are right here. What I want to show you is this street here to the left. So if you go straight ahead now and then go to the right, you are at the Bak Mi An market. But now, this street here, oh look at this, that's for rent maybe? Look at this. This was a coffee shop. I had a coffee here one time. Oh wow, they built here even more also. So my wife was living here to the left. It's a dead end. This is the street names, guys. And this is maybe this is the beef noodle. And you remember, Marcus? This was a fruit shop, and there I bought the yellow flowers for my wife. They turned out to be for the dead people. I was a charming guy, you know, picking her up from her home, and I'm like, oh my God, they have flowers here. Let's buy some flowers. And she just laughed, made a photo of me and sent it to her sister. Then they laughed all at me. It's okay. I still married her.
Just because of the yellow flowers, because it's for dead people, right?
Yeah, it's a specific flower type. Chow Long, also very popular in Vietnam. Rice porridge and intestines. And here...
It looks interesting, these little alleys.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
They don't build here anything.
No.
But yeah, so this is the street where I think it is very good to stay. There's one hotel here we know, and we got lots of recommendation to that. We actually reviewed it on the German channel, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Daily and monthly motorbike rental, okay.
But also here is the Nudo.
Yep, if you want to have high-end Mi Quang, that's the place to go here, Nudo. It's right here on the left. Beautiful. Look at all those little side streets. Very interesting. But yeah, we want to check out... Oh, look at this. There's a construction here, though. Let's see how the Vernal Homes is around that area. Wow. So somewhere here it should be. Ah, there I see it.
Yep.
There's also a coffee shop, a nice cozy coffee
here,
shop,
the villa.
and the villa here. Dude, what is the name of the villa? It's A and B. But is it separated? No, it's together. That's actually very interesting, guys. And this is Vernal Homes. This is the hotel here. So it is very quiet, yeah? So Vernal Homes. They have a penthouse which is 150 square meters or something, or 120. A big one, a huge big penthouse, but also normal rooms. Yeah, maybe they even have long-term here, I'm not sure.
It was a very, very good hotel.
Yeah,
When we,
it was nice. They even had some golf
Yeah,
clubs,
on the
right?
rooftop.
On the rooftop, yeah. Football.
to improve your footing.
Get some local food here, right next door. You have a street here, but it's still not loud because our noise-sensitive German and
Building here, and this impressive door entrance.
I
Rich
guess
people.
that this is not for rent.
It looks very good.
All right, and what we see here now is also a very interesting neighborhood. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You will see it right next day, because I'm gonna make a stop here and then we're gonna go over here. Lots of you ask me, where is it quiet to live? We will find out if it's still that nice and quiet in this neighborhood. This is a big intersection, and if you go to the left, you can go straight to the beach. And the beach part is very beautiful as well. It's right in between two very nice resorts at the Premier Village and the Pullman. And this is where we're gonna go next, guys. I already see some construction work there.
Also here.
Yep. But this is a very, yeah, it's nice and cozy to live here. It's not that stressful like the An Thượng area, but definitely not a secret anymore. Lots of people live there for a long time already. But yeah, lots of people also find lots of very cheap apartments here in this neighborhood. All in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.